In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch text in Canva. First, go to your Canva design page. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Apps tab. In the search bar, type text effects or another relevant term and select the feature you want. Once you're in the text effects interface, you'll find options to add text, choose fonts, and adjust styles. Enter the text you want to stretch and pick your preferred font and style. Afterward, look for the control points, which are small dots around the edges of the text box. These control points let you manipulate the shape of your text. Simply click and drag any of the dots to stretch the text in the direction you prefer. You can also drag multiple points at once for a more dramatic effect. If needed, adjust the text color using the available palette. When you're satisfied with how the text looks, click the Add to Design button to import the stretched text into your main Canva workspace. You can now adjust its size and position to fit perfectly within your design. And that's it. That's how to stretch text in Canva. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you.